Hello guys, today we're going to be taking a look at what our AI-powered Stock Informant has for us today. So this is the Stock Informant news aggregator. What it does is combines different investment news sources using AI as our research agent, after which it'll combine these news sources into a Google Docs or a LinkedIn post. So real quick, we are going to be editing our LinkedIn prompt right here to include the following. This is just to add hashtags and to instruct the AI to be a little bit more engaging. And the reason for this is because I haven't been getting a lot of engagement on my LinkedIn posts. So I'll let you guys know if this works out or not. But besides that, we're also going to add a new stock predictor module, which we're going to add somewhere right here. And then we're going to add it into our summary for our Google Docs. All right, so research prompt. Analyze recent financial news, market trends, and company data to identify stocks with high growth potential in the next 2 weeks. Consider the following factors. Pretty much what you would add to your prompt here. So yeah, let's get started. So this is what we have. Start off with the Wall Street Informant. S&P 500 sees extraordinary growth in November 2024. Last modified 2024 12/07 by the Stock Informant. In a remarkable turn of events, the S&P 500 index closed at $6,032.38 in November 2024, marking a 5.73% increase from the previous month and a substantial 32.06% upswing from the same time last year. This significant growth underscores the resilience and potential of the U.S. stock market despite ongoing economic uncertainties. So this looked pretty good. I'm a little bummed because this looks like it's from November. We're currently in December, but it is December 7th, so I guess this could be like a November recap. There's always room for improvement here. Alright, so moving on. Strong market performance continues. The current market rally is partly driven by tech stocks, yet investors remain cautious due to underlying concerns about inflation and the upcoming Federal Reserve decisions. Small cap stocks are lagging, indicating a degree of investor caution. The Dow Jones Industrial Average also gained 7.54% for the month and was up 19.16% YTD, showcasing broad market strength. Typically, you'll see a 5.98% growth for the month of November, and this is just from the past 5 years. So saying that it's a 7.54%, I'd say it's pretty good. All right, so moving on, we have recent earnings and corporate announcements. United Community Banks, Inc. reported a net income of $47.3 million for the third quarter of 2024, with pre-tax, pre-provision income of $74.2 million. The company also announced the sale of its manufactured house loan portfolio to 21st Mortgage Corporation for $318 million, which resulted in an after-tax loss of $21.4 million. Additionally, the bank maintained a net interest margin of 3.33% and reported net charge-offs of $23.7 million. So what does this mean? In general, when banking industries are doing well, it means the economy is running at a healthy rate. This also tells us that everyday people and businesses are doing pretty well, which means that people are more confident to invest in the market, which leads to market growth. Alright, so moving on, we have economic outlook. Although recent data on inflation rates, unemployment figures, and interest rates changes are not available, these metrics are closely watched and can significantly impact market conditions. Investors are generally anticipating the next Federal Reserve meeting for any adjustments to interest rates. So it seems as if the Stock Informant is having issues. I will make note of that for the next iteration. I am looking to improve this over time, but I am currently working full-time while training for my electrician's license. So if you want to support me and help me get these videos out faster, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Also, let me know what you would like to see more of in the next iteration. Overall, we're looking at pretty strong economic growth here in the future. However, there's still a lot of uncertainty among most investors. So moving on, Sector performance. Sector performance is varied, with technology and healthcare showing strong growth, while other sectors are more mixed. The S&P 500 robust performance is a testament to the overall health of the U.S. stock market, with all 11 sectors gaining in November. The S&P Mid Cap 400 and the S&P Small Cap 600 also saw increases of 8.66% and 10.77% for the month, respectively. So, just to put that into perspective, we saw both the S&P Mid Cap 400 and the S&P Small Cap 600 fall in November of 2021. In 2023, we saw a 8.33% and a 7.98% growth for both stocks, respectively. Alright, so in conclusion, the S&P 500 remarkable growth in November 2024 is a positive indicator for the U.S. stock market, driven by strong performances in various sectors. However, investors remain vigilant due to ongoing economic uncertainties and potential future policy decisions. As the market continues to navigate these challenges, investors look forward to further developments and the upcoming Federal Reserve meeting. So yeah, that is the Stock Informant. We are now moving on to our most recent iteration, to our news aggregator, the Stock Predictor. Alright, so here we go. High growth stocks to watch. A look at Nvidia, Axon, Tesla, Amazon, and Meta platforms by Financial Insights. December 7th, 2024. Market overview. The stock market has seen significant volatility in recent months, but certain stocks have stood out for their high growth potential. This article delves into 5 such stocks: Nvidia, Axon Enterprise, Tesla, Amazon, Meta platforms, examining their profiles, growth potential, and risk factors. So right off the bat here, I'm seeing a couple problems. There has been a mistake with how I set up my Google Docs module, which is right here. I will make sure to add an indicator that shows us when the stock predictor starts. As you can see, there's no indicator right here. I'm also noticing how the stock predictor decided to go by Financial Insights, which isn't a bad name. However, it is off-brand to the name that we gave it, that being the stock predictor. I will be sure to make the necessary changes to our Google Docs module, as well as our stock predictor for Google Docs module. So, stock number 1. Nvidia Corporation, a leader in the semiconductor industry, has shown remarkable growth with a current price of around $146.67 as of November 29, 2024, and a market capitalization of over $3.47 trillion. Nvidia has demonstrated significant strength. The company's recent earnings reports has been positive, with a 179.2% increase in stock price in 2024. Analysts have a consensus rating of moderate buy, with the predicted future performance, and the stock has a forecasted growth potential of 10% to 15% over the next 2 weeks, fueled by strong demand in the tech sector, particularly in AI and graphic processing. Now, for those of you that don't know, Nvidia semiconductors have been in huge demand due to their potential to handle critical tasks in AI and supercomputing. So I am running out of time here, so I'm just going to go ahead and read through the next 4 stocks, read through the conclusion, and you guys let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Stock number 2. Axon Enterprise Inc. has seen a 150.6% increase in stock price in 2024, making it a compelling investment opportunity. With a current price of around $200 and a market capitalization of around $15 billion, Axon is well positioned in the public safety technology sector. The company's strong product lineup and market position has mitigated potential challenges from regulatory risk and competition, reinforcing its medium confidence growth prediction of 8% to 12% over the next 2 weeks. Stock number 3. Tesla Inc., the electric vehicle pioneer, has seen a 38.9% increase in stock price in 2024, with a current price of around $300 and a market capitalization of over $500 billion. Tesla continues to innovate in electric vehicles and renewable energy, despite high competition in EV market and production and supply chain risk. Tesla's strong brand and market position, along with continuous innovation, support a medium confidence growth prediction of 7% to 11% over the next 2 weeks. Stock number 4. Amazon.com Inc., with their current price of around $150 and a market capitalization of over $1 trillion, has seen a 36.9% increase in stock price in 2024. Amazon's diversified business model, strong financials, and dominant position in e-commerce and cloud services underpin its medium confidence growth prediction of 5% to 9% over the next 2 weeks. However, regulatory scrutiny and high competition in various sectors remain potential challenges. All right, stock number 5, Meta Platforms Inc. With the current price of around $500 and a market capitalization of $1 trillion, has shown significant resilience. The company's 62.3% increase in stock price in 2024, combined with continuous innovation in social media and metaverse technologies, supports a medium confidence growth prediction of 6% to 10% over the next 2 weeks. Meta's strong user base and innovative products mitigate potential challenges from regulatory risk and competition in social media and tech. All right, so in conclusion, these 5 stocks, Nvidia, Axon, Tesla, Amazon, Meta Platforms, exhibit promising growth potential over the next 2 weeks, driven by positive earning reports, favorable industry trends, and strong market positions. However, investors should remain cautious and consider potential challenges and risk factors. Always conduct thorough research and consult multiple sources before making investment decisions. As the market continues to evolve, keeping a close eye on these stocks will be crucial for investors looking to capitalize on their growth potential. All right, so here we have our links, which I will be leaving in the description below. Also, keep in mind that the stock predictor is separate from the Stock Informant, whereas the Stock Informant was for the last, I think it was the month of November. The stock predictor is programmed to use articles within the past couple of weeks, as you can see here. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see for the next iteration. I'm definitely going to make a couple changes for this, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. So yeah, make sure you guys always stay informed.